just took shower, so quickly I'm going to do my skincare and then I'm just going to head out. So we are just going to keep the look very minimal. First step is to prep your skin. I'm just applying some essence on my face and some on my neck. Then going in with the moisturizer. Then the next step is the SPF. And these are the only 3 steps that I include in my morning skincare routine. Apart from this, we are just going to apply some lip balm. Skincare done. Next up is makeup. So for that, I'm just going to change my clothes and come back. This is the top that I'm going to wear today. The vibe is pink, so we are going to keep our makeup also in similar way. I'll just loosely clip my hair so that they can air dry, and we will go in with the makeup. So first up, I'm just going to apply this Silk Blur primer from Praush Beauty. I'm just going to take little of this product and apply wherever I feel I have pores and I need the primer to blur them. Since we are going to keep this very minimal, so I'm going to go in with a concealer. I'll apply some of this under my eyes and wherever I have a few marks. I'm going to blend it with this blender from Praush again, and I'm just going to look into my mirror and do it. Look how cute this is. Next, I'm just going to set this concealer on my face with powder, and for that I'm just going to use this brush P01 from Praush. Just going to keep a very subtle look for my eyes. For that, I'm going to use this palette from Praush Beauty, which is Showstopper. Look at the shades. So pretty. For this, I'm going to use this fluffy brush P07 from Praush Beauty only. And we are going to go in with the shade Groovy plus High Profile. So, see? The shades are very pigmented. I'm using this shade called High Profile. I've used very less product, but still the color, you can see the color. I'm just going to highlight my inner corner using this shade called Poised. This one. And for that, I'm using this brush P24 from Praush. Wow. See how pigmented it is. I'm just using very less product. Next up, I'm just going to do my eyeliner with this liner from Praush Beauty in the color black. Guys, I have applied this much eyeliner with one dip only, and I'm going to line it more. Now I'm going to apply a blush, and this has to be my favorite product from Praush because just look at the packaging. It's in this is a blush in shape of a candy, and it says sweet cheeks. It smells, it actually smells like candies. I'm going to only apply very less. For this again, I'm going to use this blender from Praush. Some blush on my nose as well. Next up, I am just going to go in with this lipstick from Praush Beauty in the shade Caramel Crunch. This smells so nice. So this is the look that I'm going for today. I've just put in some jewelry and some pearl earrings, and this is the look, the clean, minimal makeup look that I was aiming to achieve. I think we did pretty well, and I absolutely love all the products that I've used today. I'm good to go now. Thank you for stopping by. Bye bye.